it's pretty. Welcome to Malaga, Spain. Beautiful day, hot. It's about 30? I can't remember. I do remember tomorrow's going to be about 95, and today's more like 88, 89 Fahrenheit. So it's hot, but there is a nice breeze most of the time, so that's nice. From the port of Malaga, we delve into the history of this fascinating city. From Roman ruins to Moorish architecture and a cathedral built on the site of a former mosque. I had no idea how much history was in this city, and I found it fascinating. We first drive by some 19th century buildings and then explore the fort. The Alcazaba is a palatial fortification built during the period of Muslim rule. The current complex was begun in the 11th century. It is one of the best preserved Alcazabas in Spain. Everything from the walkways to the walls was absolutely captivating. The stones are from the 15th century. Okay. This is the view from the balcony with the fountain and the cool floor. These are 11th century from Cordoba. They brought it in. That's the bull ring. Nearby there, we visit the Roman Theater. So at the very top on the corner, there's Antonio Banderas. I told my sister I'm just gonna stay here until he shows up, but they won't let me, so, you know, guess I have to go on with the cruise. She said that's like a bouquet of jasmine. And this is the Festival Malaga building. She said the obelisk is to freedom.
Franco died in 1973.
1490, first church built here in Malaga, Santiago. This is a museum to Pedro de Mena, who is a poet and writer. This is the Picasso Museum. I think this is St. Augustine. Yeah, Padre Augustinos. After walking through the old town, we visit the incredible Renaissance-style cathedral built between the 16th and 18th centuries. It's now a national monument.
All this area where there was a mosque, this is the first part of the construction, and this is the second part.
This is the remains of a mosque. They built a church here, the Christians. This is the main door, only open on special occasions. This is the oldest chapel. It was here when it was a mosque. After a visit to the cathedral, we headed back to the port. What a fantastic day in this gorgeous but warm city. Thank you so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed it.